Hey, what's going on, guys? Just wanted to do a quick video about my 2002 Ford Crown Victoria. I was having some issues. I'm smelling gas fumes when the car is running. I just wanted to do a little video to kind of show where the smell is coming from. Some of it is coming from the engine bay. Seems like it's down in this area here. And I can also smell it in the cabin as well. Sometimes, if I have the heat on and the car is sitting idle for a while, I can smell the gas fumes. But the biggest part is coming from the exhaust back here. If you stand back here, right here by the exhaust, you can smell those gas fumes, and they're pretty strong. You know, I did note in the comment section under one of the videos that I do have, you know, aftermarket exhaust. They're Flowmaster dual exhaust, so I'm not sure if that has anything to do with it, but I'm just trying to figure out, you know, what's going on, what the issue may be. All right, man, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. Just want to do a little quick video to show what's going on with it. All right, thanks.